Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of aftermarket remote starts to help you find the best options for your vehicle. Whether you're looking for enhanced security, convenience, or just the cozy warmth of a pre-warmed car on a chilly morning, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be reviewing 3 top-notch products that have been making waves in the automotive industry. So, if you're ready to upgrade your driving experience, stick around and let's get started. First up, we have the StartX Tundra 2010 to 2017 Remote Starter Kit. This sleek and intuitive system is designed specifically for Toyota Tundras from 2010 to 2017. Its build quality is impressive, with a focus on durability and longevity. The remote fob feels substantial in your hand, giving you that reassurance of a well-made product. Usability-wise, the StartX Tundra is a breeze to install. It comes with clear instructions, and many users report being able to set it up within an hour, even without professional help. Once installed, you'll appreciate its range, allowing you to start your vehicle from a significant distance, ideal for those cold mornings when you're still snug in bed. What sets this remote start kit apart is its reliability. It works flawlessly, and the included smartphone app adds a layer of convenience. However, do note that the app functionality requires an additional subscription. In terms of features, it offers keyless entry, remote start, and the ability to control your vehicle's climate settings. Overall, the StartX Tundra is a fantastic choice for Toyota Tundra owners looking to enhance their driving experience. Next up, we have the StartX RAM 2500/3500 Remote Starter Kit, tailored specifically for Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 models. Just like its sibling, this kit is built to last. Its rugged construction ensures it can withstand the test of time and the elements. Installation is straightforward, though some users might opt for professional help due to the intricacies of wiring. Once set up, it provides reliable remote start functionality, making those cold mornings a whole lot more bearable. One standout feature of the StartX RAM kit is its long-range remote. You'll appreciate the ability to start your vehicle from a distance, especially in large parking lots. It also supports keyless entry, adding an extra layer of convenience to your daily routine. While it doesn't include smartphone app compatibility like some newer models, it excels in reliability and effectiveness. If you own a compatible Ram truck, the StartX RAM 2500/3500 Remote Starter Kit is a solid choice. Moving on, number 3, we have the Compustar CSX 4900's two-way remote start system. Compustar is a well-known name in the aftermarket remote start industry, and this product lives up to the reputation. In terms of design, the remote fob is sleek and ergonomic, fitting comfortably in your hand. It's a two-way system, meaning it provides feedback when your vehicle starts, which can be reassuring, especially in noisy environments. Quality-wise, Compustar doesn't cut corners. The CSX 4900 is built to last, ensuring you get years of reliable performance. Installation might be a bit tricky for beginners, so professional installation is recommended. This system offers a fantastic range, allowing you to start your vehicle from a considerable distance. The two-way communication also extends to features like keyless entry, trunk release, and alarm notifications. One notable feature is the inclusion of a two-way LCD remote in addition to the standard two-way remote. This LCD remote provides detailed information about your vehicle's status, adding a touch of luxury to your driving experience. Number 4. Viper 4105V One-Way Remote Start System. Viper has been a trusted name in car security and remote start systems for years, and the 4105V doesn't disappoint. In terms of design, the remote is simple and compact, making it easy to carry in your pocket. While it's a one-way system, it gets the job done efficiently. The build quality is excellent, and it's designed to withstand everyday wear and tear. Installation is relatively straightforward, and many users opt for DIY installation. However, professional installation is recommended for those less familiar with car electronics. The Viper 4105V provides a decent range for remote start functionality. It may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, but it gets your engine running reliably. It also offers keyless entry for added convenience. While it lacks some of the advanced features of the previous models, it's a cost-effective option that does the job well, making it a great choice for budget-conscious consumers. Number 5. Prestige APS 997C Two-Way Remote Start and Alarm. This system combines the convenience of remote start with advanced security features, making it a top choice for many car enthusiasts. Let's talk design. The Prestige APS 997Z boasts a sleek and compact design that won't clutter your keychain. Its two-way communication feature ensures that you receive real-time feedback on your remote status, such as whether your car has started or if the alarm is triggered. Quality and durability are paramount when considering remote start systems, and Prestige delivers in this department. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand the test of time and the rigors of daily use. Usability is key, and this remote start system doesn't disappoint. The included LCD remote control is user-friendly with intuitive buttons and a clear interface. It also has a decent range, allowing you to start your vehicle from a considerable distance. In terms of features, the Prestige APS 997Z comes equipped with keyless entry, trunk release, and a car finder function, which is incredibly handy in crowded parking lots. Moreover, the alarm system offers excellent protection with features like shock sensors and a panic mode. Effectiveness is where this product truly shines. It ensures your vehicle starts reliably, even in extreme weather conditions. The alarm system adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind. Specifications-wise, this remote start system is compatible with both manual and automatic transmissions, making it versatile for various vehicles. Number 6, we have the Avital 4105 liters one-way remote start system. If you're looking for a simple and budget-friendly remote start solution, this one might be the right choice. In terms of design, the Avital 4105 liters is known for its straightforward and compact remote. While it may not be as fancy as some other models, it gets the job done. When it comes to quality and durability, Avital maintains a reputation for reliability. This system is built to last and can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. Usability is a strong suit here. The one-way remote may not provide feedback on your car's status, but its simplicity makes it easy to use. Plus, it has a respectable range for remote starting. Features-wise, this system includes keyless entry and trunk release, providing some added convenience. However, it doesn't have the advanced security features of a two-way system. Effectiveness is where the Avital 4105 liters truly shines. It reliably starts your car, and if you're primarily interested in the convenience of remote starting, it does the job exceptionally well. Specifications-wise, it's compatible with both automatic and manual transmissions, making it versatile for various vehicle types. Finally, number 7. EASYGUARD EC003NK Car Alarm System. This product stands out for its comprehensive security features and usability. Starting with design, the EASYGUARD system includes a modern and intuitive remote control that's comfortable to hold and easy to navigate. The LCD screen provides valuable information at a glance. Quality and durability are strong points for the EASYGUARD EC003NK. It's built to last, and the materials used are of high quality, ensuring longevity. Usability is where this system excels. The two-way communication between the remote and your car ensures that you're always informed about your vehicle's status. It also includes keyless entry and trunk release for added convenience. When it comes to features, the EASYGUARD system is packed with them. It includes a shock sensor, engine immobilizer, and even a remote engine start, making it a comprehensive car alarm system. Effectiveness is top-notch. With its advanced security features, it provides excellent protection for your vehicle. The remote engine start is reliable and ensures you can start your car from a distance. In terms of specifications, this system is compatible with automatic transmissions and certain manual transmissions, depending on your vehicle's make and model. And there you have it, folks. 3 outstanding aftermarket remote start systems that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you prioritize security, convenience, or both, there's a product here for you. We hope this review helps you make an informed decision for your vehicle. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next.